Gagajoy's cooking, and today we're going to try to make pretzels. It's a very simple recipe, and I hope we can do it. My problem is getting the curl, but we'll get there in a minute. Anyway, it's very easy if you'll follow me along. The day's raining, and it may not have been a good day to do it because, rain does affect the moisture and everything, but we'll give it a shot. So it's 1.5 cups of water, warm water, about 105 degrees, and either a package of yeast or 1 tablespoon and a fourth. That's right, 1 tablespoon, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. My son has been wanting me to do this for a while, and I kept saying, but I don't fold pretzels very good. So I guess this will be the day that I'll have to try doing the pretzels. Now this has to sit about 5 minutes. Well, it's been 5 minutes, and our yeast is real foamy, so we'll continue. So use 1/4 of a cup of oil. I'm using olive oil. A teaspoon of salt. And 4 cups of flour. This is where we get a little bit of help. You can put it in as fast as you want to. I just like your easy at the beginning so it doesn't hop out on it. This is 4 cups of flour. Always using flour. Okay. Now this goes for this will go for 5 minutes. And as you see, it's all done. When you let it run for 5 minutes, it's the same thing as kneading it. You don't have to knead it that much. Just going to get it nice. See how soft it is. When you oil down the pot a little bit. Put it back in the pot. Now we're going to let this set in here for about an hour. While it raises, it'll raise really well in about an hour. Well, look how pretty it raised, and it's less than actually just about 55 minutes. Just take it on out. In the meanwhile, your oven is 425, and I've got a pan of water on here, and just before I put them in the oven, you roll them in baking soda water. That's just one of the things that goes along with being a pretzel. And we'll try to cut this into 8 pieces. To make sure I get it on my pan, okay. Now let's see. 1, not yet. maybe we'll make it 9 pieces. Actually, this has been fun. I've enjoyed this. It's not a messy, something messy to do either. Sort of mild. Well, let's see, I got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll make 10. Next, we're going to roll them. Maybe this is a little bit more here. Stretch it a little bit. Roll it down here. Oh, I pulled that one too far. Twist it once and pull it up. Well, that's my first one. Don't look too bad. It looks like, does look like a pretzel, I have to say that. Okay, stretch it, hold it, twist it here, bring it up to here, two. Well, I'm still rolling. I've got 9, and this is my 10th one. They're not all the same size, but I'm sort of glad of that. I think that's a good way to do it. Not everybody wants a big fat pretzel. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now, the next step, and the last one really, I guess, to add anything, is a tablespoon of baking soda in your boiling water. I don't know what this does, but it boils up a little bit. And you just simply drop your pretzel in. It actually goes down, so I'll just get it very solid. Pick it up, put it over here, and that may be the hardest part. And you know, that's okay. We're good. Maybe 2. I don't know what it's supposed to do for him. But that's what the recipe says. Maybe it's got some rising. Who knows? Okay, there's number. Oops. There's number 4. Maybe 2. I just put them on a piece of parchment paper. I hope I can get them all on here. I might have to make 2 pans. Let's do the big one. That needs that. Probably am going to have to take 2 pans. Well, we can make it as big or small as we want to. You can. I've got that made. Maybe 2 more. They sort of sink down and then they come back up. Because all you need to leave them in there for. I'll use a different pan for those. And I've got my oven on 420. And 425. I saw someone with 450, but I think I'm gonna go with 425. This is just an egg wash. This gives it that pretty shine that you see on pretzels. And now you can put anything you want to on pretzels. You can put garlic powder, salt. I guess onion powder. Okay. Now, I've got pink salt and regular salt. I think I want to use regular salt. I used to have some other, but I don't know where I... Yep, I should have had regular salt. Okay, so I've got one pan. Into the oven it goes for about 12-15 minutes. I'll get me another little pan and we'll finish. Oh wow, they turned out beautifully. The bottoms. Oh yeah. The bottoms I probably could have put on the lower back, but they're just still good. Well, let's take one and try it. Although it's still very brown. Oh, they're so light and fluffy. Look. My other 3 are still in the oven. I'm proud of these. I may not do the twirl as good as everybody else, but I think the recipe is wonderful. Well, I'm going to hand them out to everybody. Take care of yourself. If you make too many, you can freeze them, by the way, and take them out and maybe put them back in the oven or toaster. They're very versatile. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon. Remember the joy, and be thankful this rain's going to stop soon. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.